your guide to stylish, durable vinyl and engineered hardwood flooring in Bridgewater, New Jersey. When it comes to transforming your home, few things make an impact quite like new flooring. Whether you're remodeling a single room or upgrading your entire space, choosing the right flooring in Bridgewater, New Jersey comes down to finding the perfect balance of style, performance, and value. Why vinyl flooring is a favorite in Bridgewater homes. Vinyl flooring in Bridgewater, New Jersey has become a go-to choice for busy households and stylish interiors alike. It's not just about affordability. It's also incredibly versatile, with options like luxury vinyl plank. You get the realistic look of hardwood or stone, paired with superior durability and water resistance. The strength and beauty of engineered hardwood flooring in Bridgewater, New Jersey. If you're drawn to the rich, timeless look of wood, engineered hardwood flooring in Bridgewater, New Jersey might be your perfect match. Unlike traditional hardwood, engineered wood features a real wood top layer backed by a sturdy core, designed to handle Bridgewater's changing temperatures and humidity. It's especially ideal for bedrooms, home offices, and living rooms where you want both elegance and resilience. Waterproof flooring, designed for real life, Bridgewater homes need flooring that can keep up. Whether it's muddy boots, spilled drinks, or pet accidents, waterproof flooring in Bridgewater, New Jersey offers the peace of mind that your floors will hold up and still look great. Flooring stores in Bridgewater, New Jersey. Why Z for Flooring stands out. Not all flooring stores in Bridgewater, New Jersey offer the same level of service or expertise. At Z for Flooring, we take the time to understand your needs, walk you through your options, and make sure you feel confident in your decision. Whether you're searching for LVP, engineered hardwood, or a fully waterproof solution, our team brings the product knowledge, design insight, and professional installation to get it done right. Ready to upgrade your home with new floors? Whether you're leaning toward the cozy appeal of engineered hardwood or the low-maintenance benefits of vinyl, Z for Flooring is your trusted source for flooring in Bridgewater, New Jersey. Let's turn your ideas into a beautiful, functional reality. Stop by our showroom or schedule a consultation today.